Yes guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing some ASTRO A40s, the X edition. I picked these up on Amazon on the Black Friday. They originally go for, I think it's 150 in retail price for this colorway, and obviously the black ones, the black versions. But on Black Friday today they are currently going for 110. So for the sake of a colorway, you know you're saving like £40. I will definitely put the link in the description. It may continue after Black Friday. I'm not totally sure. Obviously when this recording is going up, it might be a few days after. So I'll put it in there anyway, guys, just to see if you can. Obviously within the box, obviously you get the headphones themselves, you get obviously the cables, one that you can obviously hook up to your PC for the latest updates, etc. Then obviously one that you plug into your controller or amplifier or whatever that you're going to plug it into to obviously hear the sound and stuff. So we will unbox this, guys. Obviously I will say I'm not showing the front, guys, because Amazon did a pretty bad job with kind of showing me a address on this big stick at the front, so I've unfortunately not been able to do this the other way around. But honestly, this is how you get it. Obviously the logo of ASTRO, pretty snazzy box, I guess, but to be fair, for the price that you're paying, it's definitely something that you probably should get. So when it comes to it, guys, there are the headphones. So like I was saying, you do get your two cables. That's the one, I think. You can obviously plug into the headphones, plug into either your controller. It does have a mute feature, so if you're just, say for example, in a party chat, you can obviously mute yourself if, just say, a family member or somebody walks in and you want to mute your friends from hearing you, or just in general people you're playing with online. So obviously that's definitely a good thing to have. Right guys, I've had a quick look. That is for your PC, so this is something you would plug into your PC. So I'm guessing getting the latest updates for your headphones and stuff like that. So if you're going to go obviously to that route, then obviously it gives you an option, unlike most headphones. But as far as obviously the headphones themselves, you do get your instructions, stickers, all that type of thing, which you're not going to be too fussed about. Yes guys, so here's the headphones. Obviously the colorway, blue, the red, it's very nice. It is detachable, if I can get it off. Yep, so it is detachable. You don't have to have it, but obviously it, for most people who do gaming, you are going to use that. Obviously you just click straight back in, so that is, it's not going to get caught in anything. It's not going to, cause any damage to anything. So yeah, so that's obviously the other side. You can take these off if need be. ASTRO do have different plates that you can buy from their website, but we're not going to look into much of that. Obviously, if you look closely, there's a symbol for the X edition, which is what we have here. But pretty much it's just magnets, so pretty much how you put the right way, it goes back on like that. The great thing about these guys is things like this. If you pull this out, these come off. These are detachable, so over time, if these do get wear and tear, you are able to change them. All you need to do is go on the ASTRO website. They do have other ones. I think you can get different colors, to be fair. So if you do want to mix and match, you do have the option. But I think this is a very good feature, because a lot of the times, when you're messing around with the structure of the headphones, it does kind of give you an opportunity to damage them yourself. But with the magnets, very easy to take off and put back on. Just clicks on like that. And obviously with the cushions being very soft on the ear cups, very comfortable to play for hours on end for gaming. It does obviously have a cushion at the top as well for the top of your head, so there'll be no of the plastic rubbing against your head or the side of your face. So this will be definitely comfortable to play with for hours on end. So guys, it's definitely something I would definitely recommend if you're looking to maybe get up in price regarding some of the gaming headphones. I know at the moment the A40s, they are going for I think about nearly $299. I know you do get away this kind of feature with it. You do get the charging stand, but from what I've heard from a few friends who do own a pair, there is a few problems with the connectivity with the sound, and also there is a few of my friends who have had a few charging problems with their A40s. So for me personally, I would rather stick with the wired A40s, where I'll know at all times these are going to be connected, and the sound quality on these is really good, guys. Very clear, very crisp, and for the price at the moment, for £110, I think, you know, considering you are getting, you know, a lot of quality, obviously structure wise and actual sound wise. From friends also, the mic on here is very clear, very crisp, so you will have no issues with people not being able to hear you or anything being distorted or anything like that. So that's definitely a good thing. Like I say, this does come off if need be, but for the most part, like I say, you will keep them on. It will be used at all times, especially like I say if you are into gaming. But at the same time, you can use these for listening to music. Obviously, I take into account, guys, that these are not obviously for, you know, the intended purpose of just listening to music. They are for gaming, but you know, you can use these as well. So you know, it'll just save you maybe in the long run of buying, you know, a pair of headphones just for music. So you can use them for both, but like I say, for the main feature that I've got them is literally for gaming. Like I say, I already own a pair of these, the black versions. I saw these on offer on Amazon, and I thought, well, for £110, you know, and like I say, the colorway is the reason why I bought it, the blurry red. It does set it off, it does make it stand out, especially if you're into streaming or just some kind of content creation. These will definitely, you know, stand out in the video, I would like to think anyway. These would catch my attention if I was watching, you know, someone either streaming or, you know, in someone's video. So guys, if there's any comments regarding these headphones, please let me know. Like I say, if there's anything I missed, please do comment below. Do feel free to ask me anything. I will respond as quick as possible and as best I can. Apologies if I've missed anything. Like I say, for the most part, you know, they're just really good headphones for, especially at the moment, currently a really good price. So it's definitely something I would definitely advise you to look into purchasing if, you know, you are looking for a new pair of headphones. And like I say, this color wheel one definitely sets these headphones off. So don't forget to like the video, guys, and like I say, comment if there's any queries or anything. Until next time, guys, thank you very much.